How to enable dark mode on ChatGPT. First thing first, open your web browser on your laptop or desktop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari or any browser you prefer. Now head over to chatgpt.openai.com and log into your ChatGPT account. Once you are in, look at the top right corner of your screen. See that little profile icon? Click on it. A menu will appear with different options. Now from the drop down menu, click on settings. This will open up all customization options for ChatGPT. Alright, now in the setting menu, go to Journal tab. Here you will see a section called Theme with three options: System, Light and Dark. Click on Dark Mode to switch it on instantly. Boom, your ChatGPT is now in dark mode, giving your eyes some much needed comfort. And that's it, super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips and let me know in the comments what other ChatGPT trick you did like to learn. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.